Okay, so this is my second example about t-test for a mean, but this time we're going to use the probability value method or p-value method. It says a report by a medical poll stated that on average, a woman visits her physician 5.8 times a year. A researcher randomly selects 20 women and obtained this data 382015367422 visits 1, 4, 3, 6, 4, and 6, 1. Okay. At alpha equal to 0.05, can it be concluded that the average is still 5.8 visits per year? Use the p-value method. Okay. So ito, ang claim dito is that yung ating report by the medical poll ay ang average visits ng woman sa kanyang physician is 5.8 times a year. So, alamin natin kung true yung kanyang claim about these visits ng woman visits sa kanyang physician. Okay? So, ang ating step 1 is to state the hypothesis. For our null, we have no difference, meaning still 5.8 pa rin ang kanyang average visits sa kanyang physician. While our alternative hypothesis, this is non-directional kasi hindi naka-specify kung tumaas o bumaba yung kanyang pag-visit sa physician in a year. So therefore, our null hypothesis is not uh, not equal to 5.8. Okay? So, ang claim natin dito is ito. Okay? Okay? Yung ating kine-claim ay the null hypothesis. Now, our second step is to determine the test value or t-value. For the t-value, we have t x bar minus mu s over square root of n. Okay. Ang n natin dito is 20. Okay? We do not know the sample mean, we do not know the sample standard deviation. So, gamit yung ating scientific calculator, ilagay natin sa stat mode, mode 3. Okay? Ulitin ko yun, ha? Mode 3. Mode 3. Then, AC. Doon ka na sa stat. And then, shift stat. Shift 1. And then, 2 data. Okay? Then, nakalagay na yung frequency column ninyo. So, ilagay natin yung mga x values natin. Hindi lahat, ano? So, ilagay na lang natin ang frequency for each x value. So, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, what else? 5, may 6 ba? 6, may 7, may 8, and may 9. Okay? Wala nang 10. Okay? Lagyan natin ang frequency yung bawat x values na yon. So, we have ang 0, isa, ang 8 ay isa, ang 9 ay isa. Okay. Okay na. Shift stat para malaman natin yung type. Huwag na. AC na lang natin. Then AC. Okay. Shift stat o shift 1 and then variable 4. Then press natin yung 1 para malaman natin kung ilan siya. 20. So, tama. Then shift stat for variable 2. Okay? Shift stat variable, ulit natin, ha? Shift stat variable ay 4. Kunin natin ay 2. Then equals. So, ang ating mean ay 3.85. Okay? Ano natin? And for the sample standard deviation, we have shift stat. Yun dali. Ayun na. Shift Stat is 1 and then 4 and then 4 ulit. Then equals. 4 equals 2.52. Okay, 2.52. 2.52. Okay. So, meron na tayong sample mean at sample standard deviation. Okay? Solve na natin yung test value. Substitute natin. Mean is 3.65 at 85. Population mean is 5.8. Standard deviation is 2.52 divided by square root of our n is 20. Okay? So, our t value is, gamit ang calculator, we have mode 1 muna tayo. Okay? Fraction 3.85 times 5.8, arrow down 2.52 divided by square root of 20. Negative 3.461. Okay? We have negative 3.461. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung ating t-value. The next is step number 3. Kunin natin yung p-value. Okay, gamit yung table natin, degrees of freedom natin ay 19. Okay? Then, ang t-value natin is negative 3.461. This is two-tailed. Ano yung probability value niya? Titingnan natin ng table. Hanapin natin yung malapit sa 3.461 and degrees of freedom is 19. So, lampas siya. Okay? 2.861. Yun ang pinakamalaki. So, sa 2.861, ang alpha nito is 0.01, two-tailed. Alpha is 0.01. Ibig sabihin, ang area pa nito is to the right of 0.01. Okay? Mas lesser pa. Okay? Therefore, ang ating probability value is p-value less than 0.01. Okay? Mas mababa pa. Kasi ang kanyang paliwanag ko lang, ang kanyang t-value ay ito. Ang t-value ng alpha 0.01 is negative 2.861. So, nasa kanan pa siya. Nasa kanan pa yung area o probability value natin ng 0.01. Okay? So, probability value is less than pa sa 0.01. So, ibig sabihin, nasa rejection region siya. Okay? So, tanggalin ko to. Parang ganito siya. Ito ay 0.01. Ito ay 0.05. Na andito pa yung ating probability value. At itetest lang naman natin siya is at 0.05. So, ibig sabihin, nasa rejection region yung ating p-value. Okay? So, step 4 is reject the null. Okay? Reject the null. Since p-value is less than 0.05. Actually, less than pa sa 0.01. Okay? So, in step number 5 is, if we're going to reject the null hypothesis, the claim is not true. So, therefore, our summary is there is enough evidence to support that the claim that the mean number of time has changed. Nabago na. It is not anymore 5.8 times a year. Okay? So that is our solution for example number 2, t-test per amine using the p-value method. Thank you.